morning, guys. Continue for the previous class in embedded systems. So, embedded systems are hard devices. So, then how to interfacing to embedded systems. So, first one, see that this is a clients and gateway and digital audio and digital device and industrial automation and start the displays and next one mobile handlights and set up boxes, then how to communicate and each and everything. So nowadays we are using some wire communication or wireless communications also. So then those devices they are controlling either wire communication or wireless communication, that is called as a embedded system devices. So first one, mobile handheld means we are texting to some message or transmitting to data or receiving to data. And smart displays means like a PC or LCD or LEDs and LCD displays and LED scrolling displays, anything. Then how to communicate and each and everything, either characters or data. So next one, setup boxes means we have to write up put in the CD. And then how to picture monitoring means then to when we are put into CD, at the same time CD or CDMA, either two devices, any one devices, then how to communicate on mobile network. Okay, so next one, this is the interfacing to embedded system environment. The first one, this is the first target board and host. Then how to target board and host means, target board means we are interfacing to number of ICs. We are interfacing to number of ICs. We are designing single chip. We are designing of single chip. At the same time in manufacturing board also, manufacturing board, this manufacturing board at the same time to interfacing to ICs and dumping to some programming. This programming means embedded C language. Embedded C language. This is the general purpose computer and embedded systems. The general purpose computer and embedded systems. Next, go for embedded system development tools. See that ID, integrated development environment, that means programming purpose. This is a totally storage purpose or speed and programming purpose. The instruction set of simulator, peripherals of the simulator, the project manager, debugger, linker, computer assembliers. That means we are write a programmer. Programmer means programmer means this is the inbuilt in IC. Okay, when we are to dumping to the IC in program, then how to interface in host and controller. Okay, we are using some PROM programmer, programmable read only memory programmer. And next one, RAM emulator, chip programmer, CPU emulators, in circuit emulator, in circuit debugger, and oscilloscope and logic scope, DVD, logic analytic, and etc. So see that. Then PROM programmer. So first one is a host, and next one this is a programmer. Okay, programmer. And next one, this is a designing devices of module. So this is a module. These modules to interfacing. First one, this is a developing board. This is a programming board. This is a programmer. Okay, this is a host. So when we are dumping to the programmer in program, then we are interfacing to IC, we are putting to this one. Okay, and next, this developing board to interfacing to PC, then those one we are communicating to some data. Okay, the USB communications or wire communication or wireless communication, anyone. Okay, next, go for programmer. So see that next ROM emulators. So ROM emulator means, this is a ROM emulator is a host. This is a designing of board. The host and board, the interfacing to this ROM. That means that is a space of memories. Next, this is also CPU emulator. Host is a target board. Okay, Next, next one means communication purpose. Engineering embedded communications to interfacing in embedded communications. To embedded communications, maximum nowadays these communications we are using some either wire communication or wireless communication. We are using in this time is advanced technologies. That means wireless technologies. While number of wireless technologies available in market, so first we want to first wireless communications Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, GSM and GPS and smart cards. Okay, those are wireless communications. So what is the ranges of Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi nearly 10 to 20 meters enough. Okay, what is the baud rate? Baud rate means baud rate frequency means 1800 to 900 megahertz. At the same time, operating voltage 3.3 volts. Okay, Wi-Fi operating voltage 3.3 volts or 5 volts. Next, go for Bluetooth. Bluetooth also, what is the range of Bluetooth? Bluetooth range is 10 meters. What is the operating voltage? 5 volts in operating voltage. And next one, HC05 module. Nowadays we are using to HC05 module. These Wi-Fi modules in communicate into these device. See that home with external CPU, mobile client, office buildings, hospitals, internet. Okay, and next one, home portables. So that means home portables means laptops, anything. Then how to interfacing and to how to connections. So that means those device, this device, first one, uh, this is a home applications. Home, okay, home with means uh, these mobile device we interfaces to wireless communications. So for example, we are controlling some lights and fans. Okay, lights and fans or fridge or cooler and temperature, anything. Okay, these devices we are controlling to automatically purpose automatically. We are using Wi-Fi technologies. Okay, Wi-Fi technology. Then how to controlling for Wi-Fi. So these Wi-Fi device we are interfacing to some mobile phones, either host, either PC and anything. Okay. So then how communication means, so this is the I2C. I2C means inter integrated circuit. Okay, inter integrated circuit. This inter integrated circuit means we are using some protocols. I2C protocols. These I2C protocols means SDA, SCL. That means data, address, and clock pulses. So these data and address, clock pulses, these protocols we are using to real time purpose. Okay, real time. Next, go for accuracy. Securities means nowadays we are using to most important of the some important equipments or important equipments like a gold. Okay, and money and anything. And at the same time, women's safety is nowadays most important. Then this security we are using some different communications purpose. So either communication means we are using some women security means your security is long term. Okay, next, CAN protocol, control area network. Okay, control area network means it is a totally real time product. Totally real time product. For example, this is a car is a nowadays car is a number of cars is totally not a number of cars, entire cars or buses, either any vehicles. Okay, this depending upon control area network. Then how to controlling, what the purpose, then how to working and controlling host flexibility. Okay, those are CAN protocols. And next, go for DSP means that is a digital signal processing, that means ICs. Okay, ICs, these ICs to interfacing to number of 3G networks or 4G networks or 2G networks or 1G networks. So network means then how to interface into, how to transmit into signals, each and everything. Okay, next one, 4G network. 4G network means speed of data, okay, speed is high and cost is high, okay, and radiations also, and power consumption is low. Next, comparison: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generations. So see that, guys. uh, First generation we are using some, wow, 2.4 million peoples like a first generation. Next, go for 64 kbps speed, 2.4 kbps first generation, 64 kbps in second generation, 2000 kbps in third generation, fourth generation 1 lakh kbps is a third generation or fourth generation, and more than 1 GB, okay, that is the fifth generations. Okay, these are the generations of embedded systems. Next, go for changing TVs. So change TVs means like a screens. We are visible to some pictures. Okay, visible to some pictures. Those pictures is called as a embedded systems. So first one, LCD TVs, LED TVs, smart TVs. Okay, so which one is the best of TVs? So nowadays we are using best display. Display means either picture display or character displays. Nowadays we are using LED picture, LED screen. LED is the most important of the pictures because of there is no effect in eyes, and there is a picture quality is high and low power consumption, cost is high. Okay, next, industrial means robotics. Okay, robotics controlling means entire robot is depending upon some motors. Okay, it's a brushless motors, gear motors, core motors, coreless motors, uh, servo motors, stepper motors. Okay, those are called as a robotic purpose. Okay, next, go for RFID. Okay, radio frequency identification means when it's totally purpose of securities like your ID cards. Okay, designing up minimal power. So see that, software programming, wireless sensors, guys. See that this is a totally wireless communications. So wireless communications, so number of sensors is available in market. Okay, already last class we are discussing to some sensors. Okay, so this is a wireless sensors means when we are to detecting the some object, automatically we can sending to the data. Okay, that is a called as a wireless communications. Next, integrated visual and motions, that means VLSI concept means like a integrated IC designing. Okay, IC designing. Next, go for GPS means what is the purpose of GPS? General package radio service. Okay, general package GPS, general position system. Global position for global position systems. That means global position means we are find out the longitude and latitude values. Okay, that is called as a GPS. And next one, TCP/IP protocols. That means protocols, real-time protocols. Next, Linux is the most important of the embedded systems. Okay, because of maximum PCs or systems or monitorings is totally depending upon these type of boards. Okay, either microcontroller or microprocessors. Next, go for programming language: C language, C++, Java, embedded C. Okay, everything is a programming language. Next, real-time operating systems: VxWorks and RT Linux. Okay, Windows, these called as a real-time software programming. This requirement becomes the embedded developer. Microcontroller architectures, programming microcontrollers with assembly, C or C++ programming, and RTOS. Okay, next, wireless technologies. Wireless technologies, wireless technologies. See that, guys. Already discussing to some Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, GPRS. Okay, everything is one of the wireless communications devices. Okay, These are wireless models.